Is East Baton Rouge,
East Baton
and
Rouge.
currently the aggravated robbery doesn't have a new MAJ based on the impeding or the strangulation, and so I don't, obviously I can't speak for the trial bureau, but if they decide to revoke.
Chugging, you got to understand when you're on felony probation, something like that, you got to live with a halo on your head because you could be looking at 20 years, man. All right.
Thank
Thanks.
you,
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Yes. Ma'am, you were charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you.
On January 16th, 2025, at approximately 10:25 p.m., the officer was traveling on East Sam Houston Tollway and observed the vehicle traveling at a high rate of speed, overtaking other motorists and changing lanes without signaling. The officer observed the vehicle get on Ship Channel Toll Bridge and pace the vehicle at 75 miles per hour in a 50-mile-per-hour zone. The vehicle further failed to drive in a single lane, and a traffic stop was initiated. The officer made contact with the defendant, the driver of the vehicle, and observed the defendant to have slurred speech and odor of an alcoholic beverage. Standard field sobriety tests were conducted, HGN 6 out of 6, walk and turn 5 out of 8, one leg stand 2 out of 4. The defendant was read the DIC and refused to provide a specimen, and a blood search warrant was signed and executed.
Ma'am, I'm going to find that there's enough probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're consuming anything of this nature, I'm going to revoke your bond, put you in jail. Do you understand, ma'am?
There's no driver's license on file for the defendant.
Okay. Any priority to be ICE?
No priors, Your Honor.
Okay. If you do not have a Texas driver license and liability insurance, you are not allowed to drive. Do you understand? You will be signing an affidavit with me today promising me you're not going to drive. I take it extremely serious. You just saw what happened.